Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon pie. So I hope you guys enjoy. Now, to start off with our pie, we're going to begin right here on our paper, and we want to make a nice big curve, or kind of like a big sad face. It's going to go up and down. So we're going to start right here on our paper. We're just going to make a nice line that's just going to go up and down like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a nice little wavy line that's going to go from one end to the next. I don't want it to be like crazy wavy lines. I want it to be kind of big wavy lines. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make some little wavy lines all the way across from one side to the next. Now, I'm going to actually start up here above the line, not right at this line, but just above it. And I'm going to add a curved line right here. Then I'll do the same thing on this side. I'm just going to add a little curved line. You can see I went above the line, not right on top of it. Then I'm going to make that same wavy line that I did. And I'm just going to kind of follow this pattern that I have. So I just kind of went in an up, down pattern. And I'm just going to go all the way to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down at an angle. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. We're just going to go down at an angle. Now, I want to connect these with a nice curve. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to add a nice little curve from one end to the next. Now, up here on the top, we want to add some little lines on here, kind of like where the opening of the pie might be. So to do this, I'm just going to add some little oval shapes. I'm going to put one right there. And we're going to put one that goes right up and down. And then another one over here that's kind of at an angle a little bit. Now, this is kind of like our basic shape of the pie. What you could always do is you could add like some little pieces of fruit or something around here to maybe kind of show what type of pie it is, like an apple pie or a peach pie, blueberry pie, things like that. Now, to make this even more fun, we can add a little face on here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to add a nice circle for an eye. And then I'm going to add a second circle right over here for another eye. I'm going to add a little pupil inside each one. And then I'm going to give it a nice smiley face. So I'm going to draw a little smiley face right between here. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down and up. And then I'll add a little line in there for the tongue. And then you can just color this part in for the mouth. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon pie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.